Hello, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So good to have you guys here. My name is Black Jeff. People call me Black Jeff for Forex. I'm the founder of Black Jeff Forex Academy. And I'll be continuing from where I stopped the last time. In our last class, I talked about candlesticks. So right here, right now, I'll be talking on, um, let me just do a recap of where I stopped the last time. I said something here. I said that for you to know an uptrend, right? It means that there will be series of green candles. Then for you to know a downtrend, there will be so many red candles. Now, in this case now, we have more of green candles than red candles. And we see that the market moved from this point and we move to the up point here, right? Then for this guy here, we see that the market moved from here and the market moved to this point here. Now, this is a downtrend. You get. There are some persons that their color candle is black and white. You get. Now, I'm talking based on the color candle that is green and red. I said that the green candle means that the market is moving to the upside. Then the red candle means that the market is moving to the downside, right? So today I'll be talking on the types of trends in the markets. We need to know this. We need to know this. There are three types of trend in the markets. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the sideways trend. Like I said we have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, we have the sideways trend. Please, I'm expecting that as I'm talking, you are with your pen, you are with your book, you are writing things down because I will not be writing on my screen. You are with your pen, you are with your book, you are writing things down. So I said that we have three types of trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. Now, if you look at this market very well, now one thing I want you to understand is that this is the Forex market. This candlestick is what comprises of the Forex market. This candlestick, this is the Forex market. It's also called Forex chart. CHART. Forex chart. Now, this is Forex market. Now, if you look at it very well now, you will see that this market moved from this point here to this point here. This to tell you that this market was moving in an uptrend direction. When the market is moving from a point of low to a point of high, it means that the market is moving in an uptrend direction. Now, when the market is moving from a point of high to a point of low, it means that the market is a downtrend market. Like this place now, this market now moved from here. Please follow my cursor. This market now moved from here down here. You see that this is a downtrend market. And this market now moved from here and moved upward. That means this is an uptrend market. So this for this. The market moved from here up here. This is an uptrend market. And the market moved from here to here. This is a downtrend market. Now, let me show you an example of a sideways market. Sideways market. All right. Now, if you look at it very well now, you will see that this market now was moving in sideways. Let me put a horizontal line here. Let me put another line here. If you watch carefully now, you will see that this market now was moving up, down, was moving inside the box. Now, whenever you have the market moving inside the box, it means that the market is moving sideways. Whenever you have a market moving inside the box, it means that the market is moving sideways. Now, if you look at it very carefully now, you will see that this market was just moving in sideways. It wasn't moving upward or down or upward or downward. It was just moving sideways. So this is a pictorial example of a sideways market. This is the clear example of a sideways market. This is a clear example of a sideways market. So this is your sideways market. That is, from here, it came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, like this. This is a sideways market. Like I said here earlier, that this one here, this move here from, I said that whenever you have a movement from a low point to high point is an uptrend market. And whenever we have a movement from up point, from a high point to a low point is a downtrend market. You get? So now, for an uptrend market, what makes an uptrend market? That's the next question now. What makes an uptrend market? Now, what makes an uptrend market is a series of higher highs and higher lows. I'll be showing you guys on my chart. What makes an uptrend market is a series of higher highs and higher lows. What makes an uptrend market is higher highs and higher low. Now, let me start from here as my point of low, right? Now, if you observe carefully, this market moved up to this point here. It formed higher high. This was our first higher high. Then it moved downwards to form a low. But if you look carefully, I said we started with a low here. This low here, the low here, please follow my cursor. The low here is higher than the low here. So we tag this point to be higher low. We started with a low. The market came up to form high. Okay, let me start with high, low and high. We have a low here, right? And the market moved up to form a high, right? Now, after the market has moved up to form a high, it moved down again to form a low. But this low is higher, is above this low. So we target to be higher low. Now, the market then moved up again to form another high. Remember, I said there was a high here. But in this case now, this high, the high here, is higher than this high here. So here will become our higher high. Now, here now we have another low again, but this low is higher than the previous low. So here will also be called higher low. So we mean as we keep moving from a point of low to a point of high, we keep having series of higher highs and higher low. Very simple. We started with a low here. You can do it on any time frame. I'm currently on 15 minutes time frame. You can see it on H1. You can see it on daily time frame. Now we started with a low here, a low here. Then the market then moved up to form a high, right? After forming a high, it then came back down, moved down to form a low. Now, this low is higher than this low. So we target to become higher low. Now, this has become our higher low. This has become our higher low. Now, after having higher low, the market then moved up to form a new high. Now, because this high is higher than the previous high, here becomes our new higher high. Then here becomes our new higher low. Then here becomes our new higher high, higher low. Now we have a new higher high and we are expecting a higher low. Now let me do it. Let me explain what I was trying to say. We have a low here. Our first point is starting from a low. We have our high here. Then we now have our higher low. We have our higher low here. We have our higher high. The reason why here is an higher high is because this new high is higher than the previous high. So we have our higher high up here. Then we have higher low here. Then we have higher high here. We have higher low. We have higher high. Meaning as the market keeps going higher, we keep forming higher low. Now, have you noticed that as market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, the market is moving up trend, is moving upward. That means this is an uptrend market. That means this is an uptrend market. As the market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, is an uptrend market. Remember, I told you that an uptrend market form series of higher high and higher low. What makes an uptrend market is series of higher high and higher low. What makes an uptrend market are series of higher high and higher low. So we have our new higher high here. Then we have our new higher low here. Then we have higher high. We have higher low. So this is what makes an uptrend market. Series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, guys, look, you guys can see that I'm putting much work, much effort into creating this content free of charge. Now, there's only one way you can pay me to encourage me. The way you can encourage me is to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it to your friends. Those are your friends that are interested in learning Forex, but they don't have the money to pay for mentorship. So I said that this 2025, I'm going to help people gain access free of charge to my course free of charge. So you're not going to pay me. I'm doing it free of charge for you. The course is free. Only mentorship will be paid for. Now, if you want mentorship, maybe you are going through the video and you just feel that, okay, let me connect with Black Jeff. Let me so you can mentor me. I charge $100 for mentorship for the now. I charge $100 for mentorship. So what I'm saying is that my courses is free of charge. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel to encourage me so that I can create more content. Thank you. So I'll be expecting you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that when I post new video, you get notified that, okay, I've uploaded a new video. Then the next I want to talk about is a downtrend. Remember I told you that a downtrend, we have series for a downtrend. Remember I said for an uptrend, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that was what we have here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we are expecting a new higher low to the downside here, but a new higher low has not been formed yet. So let's see what this market will do. Now, let me take you guys to a downtrend. Let me take you guys to a downtrend. Let's get to a downtrend and see what the market is doing. Okay, let me use this as an example. Let me use this as an example. Now, for a downtrend, we have this for a downtrend. We have this as a downtrend. Now, we have this for a downtrend, right? We have this for a downtrend. If you look at it carefully now, the market, I say that a downtrend will always move from a point of high to a point of low, right? A downtrend will always move from a point of high to a point of low. Now, this is our point of high, and the market has moved to a point of low. Now, I said that a downtrend comprises of, for you to know a LD downtrend, the market must form lower high and lower low. Now, let me explain. It is always like this. It's always like this. Just stay chill. I will explain what I'm trying to do now. Now, you compare these charts that I'm drawing currently with the one I drew earlier. Please, don't feel discouraged. This thing is not hard. This is a video you can watch more than 5 times. You can watch the video the first time and not understand it. Should not make you to cry. Just go back to the video, watch it over and over and over and over again. And as you are watching it, make sure you are on your charts, checking your charts. Now, I'm using MT5 to do my analysis. You can do your analysis on MT5 or on TradingView. You get, most people prefer TradingView. But personally for me, I just like MT5 because I started using MT5 in the beginning stage of me learning. So I'm just used to MT5. I don't really fancy TradingView. It's only when I'm trading crypto, I use TradingView. But when it comes to Forex and synthetic indices, I just stick to MT5. So now look at it now. Let's start from here. If you observe, you notice that this market was moving downward. The market was moving downward. Now, we have our point of high here. This was our point of high. Remember I told you guys that the market always moves from a point of high to a point of low. So this was our point of high, and this was our point of low. So if we target to be high, and we target to be a low, right? Now, after here was a low, then here is our new high. Now, observe, this high is higher than this high. So we now target to be our lower high. We target to be our lower high. Here to be our lower high. Now, see, the best way to just know this thing, just know that everything here, we carry the name I. That is, here is a I. So we have, this is a lower I, this is a lower I, and this is a lower I. Why everything downwards here is a low. That is, this is a lower low, this is a lower low, this is a lower low, and this is a lower low. So if I want to explain this better, I will say we have a high here, we have a low here. We have a lower high, right? We have a lower low. Remember I told you that there's a lower low here. A lower high, a lower low. A lower high, a lower low. That's why I said everything here for a downtrend, everything here will be a lower low. Because why is it a lower low? As the market keeps coming down, it keeps going lower. It keeps going lower. That is why it is called lower low. As the market keeps going down, it keeps going lower. That is why it is a lower low. So here is a lower low, here is a lower low, here is a lower low, here is a lower low. We have a lower high, lower high, lower high. Very simple. Very simple. So a downtrend, we have series of lower lows and lower high. Now, in this case now, we have a high here, right? Then look at this market now, move from this point of high to this point of low. We have a lower low here. Now, it now moved up a little to form a lower high. Please follow my cursor. To form a lower high. Then it moved down again to form a lower low. After forming a lower low, it moved up a little to form a lower high. Then it moved down again to form a lower low. Then it moved up again to form a lower high, and it moved down again to form a lower low. So this is what makes a downtrend. Now, I just explained to you guys what makes an uptrend and what makes a downtrend. For you to know a LD trend, there must be, for you to know an LD uptrend, there must be series of higher highs and higher lows. For you to know a healthy uptrend, there must be a series of higher highs and higher low. Now, for you to know a healthy downtrend, there must be series of lower low and lower highs, which is what I just explained. Now, the next type I want to talk about is the sideways trend. The sideways trend. Now, the sideways trend, the sideways trend now, the sideways trend comprises of equal high and equal low. Now, this is a sideways trend. We have a high here, a low here. We have a new high here, a low here, a high here, a low here. So if you observe carefully now, you see that each of these low, they are equal. Each of these low, they are equal. Each of these low are equal. So what makes a sideways market is equal low and equal highs. But I want you guys to know something here, that we don't trade in sideways markets. They say something that the market is your friend, the trend is your friend. Now, for you to, if you want to be focused, if you want to make money in Forex, you have to follow the trend. If you want to make money in Forex, you have to follow the trend. If you don't follow the trend, you'll be left behind. Right? You will be left behind. It's just like your computer software now. There are a lot of persons now that are using Windows 10, Windows 11, you get. So nobody now is, I don't think people are still using Windows 7 in this 2025. You get. So you have to follow what is trending. So what's trending now is Windows 10, Windows 11, you get. That's what is trending now, based on computer software. So I don't think there is any new model computer that is using Windows 7. So you have to follow what is trending. So same thing with Forex. If you want to make money in Forex, you have to follow the trending market. So I will be taking you guys seriously more on the trending market, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. So these are the two things we'll be focusing on, uptrend and downtrend. Meaning whenever a particular pair, currently now this is BTC USD, whenever a particular pair is giving you sideways movement, you forget about it. Let's say GBP USD now, or volatility 75, is giving you a sideways movement. You forget about it. You don't trade that pair for that day. The only way you can trade that pair is if you have gotten a clear direction of where the market is going, whether an uptrend or a downtrend. So as a newbie in Forex, as a new Forex trader, you should be focused more on uptrends and downtrends. Remember, I told you guys that what makes an uptrend is series of higher highs and higher low. What makes a downtrend are series of higher lower highs and lower lows. And I just showed you guys on chart. Now, please, from the first video I taught, the second video I'm teaching now, you may not get it once by watching a video once. You may have to watch it maybe the second time and the third time. While watching it the first time, there may be some things you will not hear because maybe you just got distracted a little. So it may be that you didn't hear some things. So I would advise you to go back to watch the videos. And also, as you are watching, you are putting to practice. I always tell my students, it is not learning that makes perfect. It is practice that makes perfect. So I expect that you always go to your, what's it called? I expect that you always go to your charts on your own end and practice what and check and see if what I'm saying are correct. So always go back to find out and check. So I will be ending here. And the next topic I'll be teaching on will be market structure. Market structure will be the next thing I'll be teaching on. Please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share this video. This is 2025. Help your friend that doesn't have money to pay for Forex. They should come and watch this video and learn. See you in my next class. Bye from Black Jeff.